At Bluelab, I think our purpose is to make the growers' everyday life better in a way that delivers products and services that help them solve the problems that they see every day. I saw an opportunity to be involved in something that was much bigger and much broader than just the local New Zealand environment, and the fact that we could take technology to the world and solve problems that were much bigger than just New Zealand.
It's quite a vibrant environment in production. No 2 days are the same, and I know it sounds like a cliche, but every day is so different. And we spend a lot of time training people, so it's really comfortable, the environment, you are supported. So you are guided through your training phase when you start with us. So that allows you to become part of a team pretty quickly.
I work in the production staff area. We create a range of products which we send to hydroponic greenhouses over the world. I enjoy it. There's a lot of variety in the job, a lot of hands-on work. I was just looking for a casual job over the summer holidays until I heard that they were looking for permanent staff, and I ended up applying and getting the job, and it's been amazing. I've learnt lots of awesome skills.
When I moved to Tauranga to retire up here with my husband, I was looking for work and I saw this job advertised. They were extremely welcoming. It was great.
They have a great company culture. The company listens and understands what you're going through, and if there's anything that you think can help change the company, they'll listen and try and implement something that will make it grow and make you grow yourself.
We talk a lot about inspiring everyone to grow at Bluelab, and what we mean by that is the growers that we work with, helping them grow new food, new crops in new ways and new places. But we also look internally. We really want everyone within our team to grow while they're here. So to come in, develop, chase their ambitions, do these amazing projects. Bluelab is transforming.
Bluelab is growth.
Bluelab is family.
Bluelab is exciting.
Bluelab is interesting.
Bluelab is dynamic.
Bluelab is the future of plants.